All right, let's help you pick the perfect IKEA dresser. No regrets, I promise.
You've got the spot, you know the style. I mean, what could possibly go wrong? Well, a lot, actually. Just focusing on wall space causes a really common, frustrating problem. So let's get into the one measurement that really, truly matters.
This is it, 90 centimeters. This is the magic number you have to remember.
It's not about the dresser's width. It's the pull-out space in front that counts. Okay, space is sorted. Now for materials. This is all about budget versus durability. You're basically choosing between wallet-friendly veneer and super durable solid wood.
Veneer options like MALM are awesome for a quick, stylish, and affordable fix.
But if you want something that'll last a decade or more, solid wood like HEMNES is the way to go. Here's a quick look. MALM is perfect for renters, while HEMNES is a little long-term investment. So you've got your space and material picked out. Time for the final safety and function checks. Just follow this simple 3-step checklist and you'll absolutely nail this.
First up, anchor it. This is a super important safety step to stop it from tipping over. And make sure you're using the right anchor for your wall type. It really matters. And finally, don't forget the inside. A little organization goes a long way.
See? It's more than just a purchase. You're making a smart, deliberate choice for your home. With this blueprint, you're all set to make a confident choice you'll love for years.